Hi, Derek Fraser here from Coldstream Rod Shop. Going to go over what we've been doing the past few days on the exhaust of the 32 Ford pickup. It's pretty much welded in place right now. I'll bring you over here and I'll show you what we started with. So I bought a kit from this company, Lyell's in Ontario. I bought this do-it-yourself kit here that consisted of a bunch of pieces. When it came in, here's some of the pieces that are left over. But the process for putting the exhaust together basically was to put the flange on the exhaust manifold. I'll show you over here. I started down here with the flanges off the exhaust manifold. I cut a piece, I welded it in place. I cut another piece, I welded it in place. Then put the exhaust underneath the master cylinder here. I've got the small muffler, made sure it had a good clearance on it. During the process, I kept on blocking it up, holding it in place. Added a piece, came up over the rear end here. Eventually, once I was happy with it, I made these brackets out of round bar stock, and I've got the rubber hangers in place. Now, a few times I took it on and off just to try and get the heights done. So that's why it's taken me quite a few days now to get it where I wanted to do, where I liked it actually. Right now, all the joints are welded in place except for the last pieces coming out underneath the gas tank here. I haven't quite got the exhaust tips where I want them, I think. As you can see right now, they're coming straight out. I think it's a good spot now. When the truck's all finished, I may chop it off another inch or something, but I think I'm quite happy with it. It looks all right. Looks kind of hot roddy. Everything is pretty good now. So with the exhaust, for all intents and purposes, complete, I've got to work on a few other little bits and pieces. One thing that was missing was supports for the running boards. Over here, the frame didn't come with them, so I had to fabricate these up. So all I did is I took some 1.5-inch square tubing and I cut an angle piece onto it, and then I just welded it in place here. So this is the support for the running boards. There's a bracket underneath here. It comes underneath the running boards. There's also bolts underneath where they're bolted to the bottom of the frame. But these extra pieces here give the running boards the extra support. Now that that's all done, I'm going to take the fenders off and then start working on the brake lines. We've had a few pieces come in over the week. Still have to go buy some tubing and stuff. But probably by the end of the week I'll have all the parts I need to do the brakes on the pickup truck. That's it for now. Hopefully you enjoyed the brief description of how we put the exhaust system in, and hope you subscribe, and see you next time.